The Atome virtual card allows you to make purchases and pay in installments at online and in-store retailers that accept Atome. Here's how to use it. Download and register on Atome. Download the Atome app from your smartphone's app store and sign up or log in with your existing account. Complete your account setup, which may include verifying your identity and linking a payment method, like a credit or debit card. Activate the virtual card. Navigate to the virtual card section in the Atome app. Activate the virtual card by completing the necessary steps, such as confirming your linked payment method. Shop online or in-store. Online. When shopping at an online retailer that supports Atome, select Atome as the payment option during checkout. You'll be prompted to log into your Atome account, and the virtual card will be used for the transaction. In-store. For in-store purchases, open the Atome app, find the virtual card, and scan the QR code or use the card number at the checkout. Pay in installments. After using the Atome virtual card, the payment will be divided into 3 interest-free installments, with the first payment made at the time of purchase and the remaining 2 scheduled over the following months.